Okay, so my name is Jay Vaughn, and the subtopic that I'll be doing on our main topic, which is bullying, is internet bullying. So that's the subtopic that I'm doing. And yeah, let's get right into it. So first off, what is internet bullying? Internet bullying is also known as cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is a type of bullying that occurs, quote unquote, behind the screen. It's bullying that occurs over the internet or social media. So a lot of cyberbullies, they cyberbullying is an internet bullying. It's bullying that occurs over the internet. It's not really a form of bullying in person. It's all over the internet. So that is what it is. Um, where it takes place, like I said, as internet bullying takes place on social media. So the social media platforms that takes place on are Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. It'll happen over messages, different chat rooms, online forums, message boards such as Reddit. That's a very common one that'll occur on. This can also happen on email, online gaming communities. YouTube is a big one. People will post horrible comments on people's videos on YouTube. That's a form of cyberbullying. People will comment on social media posts, mean comments. People will go on to that comment, those comments that are being said, continue on that. So it happens all over. A lot of different social media platforms, though. Next, what are the effects of cyberbullying? So, because cyberbullying happens behind a screen, the effects of the bullying feel more intense and permanent. A cyberbully hides behind a screen and says or does whatever they feel like to make a person feel horrible about themselves. That's why when this type of bullying occurs, suicide rates go up. Um, so, yes. Um, the effects that occur are humiliation. People will feel isolated. They'll feel angry, powerless. They feel difficult to feel safe because this happens all the time. They can't feel safe because these people over the internet can just keep on doing what they're doing. But they can also feel depressed, suicidal, anxious. A lot of suicide rates go up because of cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is a really intense form of bullying because in person, bullying that happens in person is also really intense, but over the internet, it feels more extreme. So the effects are very crucial on the victims. Yeah. So the question is, how do we prevent it? Making sure that the victims are communicating with others and creating a safe environment. Then when they are experiencing the cyberbullying, they will come to you when they need you. These are mainly strategies for parents to help their kids when they're being cyberbullied. Making sure to give them strategies to respond where they can turn the attention back onto the bully. That will discourage the bullying. Another thing a parent can do is to help prevent it is getting an app that monitors all online activity that your child has or does. Also, making sure to know how platforms and apps work. This can help just to understand what's going on. So when bullying is happening, they can see it and then they'll be able to work the apps. They'll know how the apps work to help that. And so, yeah, that is basically it. And then these are the sources that I used for this. But yes.